In this video, I'm going to show you how to download TikTok videos without using or having watermark on them. Let's launch the TikTok app and find the video we want to download. Let's say you want to download this video over here from Gary V. You want to click on the share icon over here, and then you will have the option to copy the link. Do you see the blue one over here? You click on the copy link, okay? Then I want you to go on Google and I want you to Google this particular website. It's called TikTok Downloader. When you click on TikTok Downloader, you will be ending up on snaptik.app, okay? You want to paste the link from Gary V and you want to click download. It will process the video and it will show the video underneath over here. That's exactly the same video we talk about. Now we have a couple of different options. You can download the video in HD quality. You have to watch an ad for it, or you can just download it with lower quality without watching any ad. So this is how you're going to download TikTok videos without watermark. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.